they're telling me that I need to be drinking more water than I usually drink. So I'm trying to meet that goal. It's big, audacious, and it just feels like that's just a lot of water. I don't usually drink that much water, but I'm trying. I got this gallon. I have this gallon bottle, water bottle, and it's supposed to help me to track, because it's timed on the back where you see it says, I don't know if you can see, 7 a.m. you should drink this much, 9 a.m. this much, 11 a.m., 1 p.m., and it counts down. It also has measurements on the back to tell me how many ounces, and right now it's filled to 128 ounces. Now, I'm not starting at 7 a.m. like the bottle says, because right now it's 12:40 a.m. or I should say 12:40 p.m. So I'm all the way down here. But I'm going to see how much I can get throughout today and if I'm able to play catch up or not. But I'm trying to increase my water intake so that I'm not dehydrated. So that's what this is about. Not gonna lie, it's not that easy to do. That's a whole lot of water, but I'm trying. I forgot to say good morning. Good morning. It is Sunday, January 21, and I'm just getting started. 12:40 p.m. Water on deck. I'm gonna do a little bit of stretching right now, or some exercise, because that's what we're supposed to do. So come along.
Today we're doing a short 5-minute pregnancy warm-up. You can do it before a stretch or before a workout, or if you only have 5 minutes, you can do it as a workout itself.
As you saw, I just finished doing my stretches, and in addition to my water that I'm going to be having all day today, I'm also going to be doing a smoothie, fruit slash vegetable smoothie, or fruits, I don't know, it's a combination of things. So let's do that. I like to have the smoothie in between the meals as kind of like a filler. So I do have like breakfast, lunch, dinner, and water, and sometimes some snacks, but I like to have the smoothie that just kind of carries me through the day as well. But considering I'm drinking this much water, I don't know how I'm going to drink smoothie plus the water, but we'll see. Plus this much. I wasn't drinking this much before, but we'll see. So I'm going to be using like, I have blueberries, strawberries, raspberries here. And I'm trying to buy only organic fruits, hoping that makes a difference. And then I'm gonna put banana. This banana is overripe, so I actually need to use this today. Yesterday I picked up these dates in Trader Joe's. I've actually never used it, but apparently it's good, and it's a natural sweetener. Since I only have one banana, which is the banana is what I usually use to sweeten the smoothie, but I only have one, so I'm gonna add a date to it, and this is what the date looks like. I wonder what it tastes like. I'm gonna try a small piece. Not taste bad. It's actually sweet. So it's pitted dates from Trader Joe's, if you're interested in getting for yourself. I also picked up these yesterday, which are prunes. Never had them before either. Apparently it is common for pregnant ladies to become constipated during pregnancy, and this is one of the things that are recommended to help with the constipation. Natural remedy. So they tell me to drink prune juice or to eat the prune, but I'm thinking that I should just do it in the smoothie. But since I've never had it, I want to try it. It tastes like raisins. I thought it was gonna taste bad. It's like raisins, alright. Well, it should help me to not be constipated. So the prune and the dates, I've never actually added them to my smoothie before, so this is new. But since they're good, and I'm gonna add kale next, which I usually add to the smoothie. These are also organic kales, and I make sure to wash them first. Well, all the fruits are washed before I put them in the freezer or in the fridge. And I always add sea moss to my smoothie as well. And this is the sea moss from Jamaica, so it's the actual plant that you get from Jamaica. And then Sean does his thing and turn it into this jelly-like substance, so it looks something like this. So he makes it from scratch. And this has a whole lot of benefits and nutritional value, so try to use that. And then once a little milky, so I'm gonna add some organic oat milk, which I try to buy the one that only has oats, so it says only water and oats, nothing else added, and it's thin, so I feel like it's really only water and oats. Oh, and sometimes I do add a little bit of peanut butter. This is just peanut that's grinded into the butter. It's not the shelf or the store peanut butter where they have all the things in it. Now to just blend everything together. I just added a little bit of the Quaker old-fashioned oats. So it's like, this is what we have, and it's like the big green one. I don't like this one for porridge, but I did a little bit, you know, to thicken it a bit because I like it thick. Time for the pour. So far we have smoothie and water. Now I need to make breakfast food. So a lot of planning and prep for the day to make sure that I'm hydrated, make sure that I eat, and make sure that I eat well enough. I'm still trying. It's still a work in progress, you know. But so now I just feel for like maybe eggs and avocados. That's all. I thought I had avocados, but it turns out I don't. I had them yesterday, so I end up having scrambled eggs with baked potatoes. I'm also gonna have some pineapples, and then of course a bottle of water. I don't feel any tea right now, but I usually had like peppermint tea or ginger tea or something like that. But I'm just gonna do the water, this breakfast, smoothie throughout, and I don't know what else yet. Later on, when I get to that bridge, I'll cross it. I also want to say thank you guys for all the love and the support that I've been getting from you. All the comments, they are so incredibly sweet, and I'm so grateful. And you guys have just made this whole process a little bit easier, and I'm so happy, so thank you. It's still a work in progress for me. I'm new to it, first time, so I'm learning as I go. And of course, I'm reading your comments to see the suggestions and the tips and whatnot that you guys have for me. I'm welcome and open to all the mommy tips that you guys can give. I appreciate it, so feel free to make the suggestions because I'm learning. I also want to thank you guys so much for those of you that have purchased anything at all from the registry. Really appreciate it. I've already gotten some of the things that have been purchased already. I don't know if you can see the boxes behind me, but these are some things from the registry. Haven't put them where they ought to go as yet. Haven't even opened them. Probably won't open them as yet, but I see the orders and I'm so grateful. Thank you. You didn't have to, you chose to. Some of you asked for the registry, I put it out there, so I'm grateful. And for those of you that still are interested in purchasing anything from the baby's registry, it is in the description section of this video, which is when you click this video, right under where you see all the write-up, one of the links there, it will say FAMIELIN's registry or baby's registry. You can click that link and it will take you to the Amazon page with all the items that I selected that I would want for the baby. And once you add an item or a couple of items to your cart, so once you press checkout, the address for you to send it to will automatically come up. You just go through with the order and it will be shipped to the address that I put there, which is the address that I'm gonna collect all the gifts at. So thank you so much. Go ahead, order. FAMIELIN will be happy, I'll be happy, Sean will be happy, and the rest of the family will be happy. I know not everyone is able to purchase anything because I know not everybody have money, and I'm not expecting you to go out of your way to do something that you can't, so that's fine if you can't. A view on the video, a comment on the video, a share, a like is enough, you know, and I appreciate it. If you can buy something, please buy something. I try to put things at different price points, so you have some that are more on the expensive end, some that are a little cheaper, some in the middle. You know, people of all different price brackets can get something. I know some people want to get something but they don't really have that much money. And if you don't want to, let's say, purchase something from the registry, or it's hard for you, you don't know how to figure it out, you can always send cash. So there's Cashapp, PayPal, Zelle. All of that information is also in the description section, and all of them is the same email address. Cashapp, Zelle, PayPal is rochielin@gmail.com. And make sure you spell Rochielin correctly. Rochielin, the same way how it's written on the channel, ROCHIELIN@gmail.com. So you can always donate cash if you're not comfortable doing the Amazon stuff. We accept it. We appreciate it. Thank you. I need to finish eating. Today's Sunday. I'm actually off to a late start today. Got up very late. Well, I got up a little earlier, but I was in bed for a while. And I got out of bed very late. I went to bed late last night, so I'm just trying to relax as much as possible, not stressing the day. I also need to get rid of my Christmas decoration now, I think. I mean, I know a lot of people take it down, you know, got rid of their trees, Christmas trees and Christmas decoration from like December. I feel like I spend too much time putting it up to take it down that soon. But it's almost end of January now, so it may be time to put it up. But it's just so beautiful. I just love looking at it, that I don't want it to go. But I should take it down. I'm thinking of what I'm gonna do next year, because this is the same color scheme that I used last year. I only bought like an extra pack of balls this year within the same color scheme to create the look of the Christmas tree. So it is decorated differently, but it's the same things. But it's so beautiful. But for this year's Christmas, which is 12 months from now or 11 months from now, I'm thinking of using a different color scheme besides this gold and cream look. I'm thinking to either do like wine red, burgundy red, wine red, or black. And I know black is kind of some people like Black Christmas, but I feel like I can pull it off. I feel like I can. But Sean is leaning more towards the red. I think I am too, so I'll probably do that. But I don't want a bright Christmas red. I want wine, burgundy. You know what I mean? But it's also January and Christmas is 11 months away, so who knows what I'll feel like at that time. We'll see. That's just a thought, right? Alright, so it's time to take down this lovely, beautiful tree behind me. I'm so sad that it has to go because I just love looking at it. But it's almost end of January, so I think it's time that we get rid of it. That's the beauty about doing the garland. You don't have to take off 100 balls individually. I can just take off the whole thing. Save me a lot of time. And then I can just put that in my storage. Two down. Why do I start? This is probably the easiest tree take down ever. Decoration take down after the tree ever. Last year it took me so long to take off each individual bars, and now I don't have to do that, so. And I fall into peace and silence. What I like about this tree is that it comes in 3 pieces and they're light, they're not heavy. So I know you guys gonna say, don't be lifting anything right now. They're light. Thanks for the concern. I like that they come in the 3 pieces so that you can easily just take them off and then you put them in storage. And when you're setting it up, you just put them back on and then the lights come on wirelessly and automatically. I don't know how they construct the tree, but it's kind of cool. Now that they're all taken apart, I just need to scrunch them up together so I can put them in the bag. I don't even know if that's a word, but you know. Listening to this song playing on. Listening to this song playing on. The tree is done and it all fits in the bag. Time to get these things off the wall. on. I know the living room is back to normal. Kind of look a little bland because my eyes got so used to seeing the Christmas tree every day. But I'm sure my eye will readjust the same way it had to adjust to the Christmas tree. But hey, Christmas done, time to get on with 2024. Lots to do this year, lots to accomplish, so much, and I'm so excited for what the year will bring. But I'm done with here for now, so let's move on. By the way guys, I want to remind you about the Jamaican black castor oil that I mentioned a few videos ago. I told you that I will be selling the black castor oil straight out of Jamaica, made from Jamaican castor beans that are planted and grown and made in Jamaica. So yes, that is still on the books. We're just finalizing some details and that will be available soon, very soon. So just keep watch for that. I put a link in the description section of this video for you to put in your email address and your name so that I can email you directly as soon as we launch, so that you don't miss out on the Jamaican black castor oil. So click it, add your email so I can get it. I will do a video of course, but I don't want it to be sold out on you and you don't want it to be sold out on you either. So just add your name, your email address to that link so that I can email it directly, so you can be one of the first ones to get your hands on it. So it's coming out soon, I promise. But I'll let you guys know in a future video. Anyways, this is where I'm gonna end today's video and we'll start again fresh tomorrow. Thank you so much for your love and your support. Thank you so much for everything. Remember, the baby registry is in the description bar below as well. So if you want to get something for FAMIELIN, click the Amazon link. Go ahead and make your purchase. We appreciate it. Thank you so much. Love you all. You've been so good to us. And I'll continue to be good to you. Alright? So I'll see you in the next one.
Yeah. Hey, Amaru. Only if you're ready. Let's go. Hey, I'm only looking for loyalty. All I need from you